Do a cold start in the Yukon, and you see I moved the center caps because they're getting rusted. I got a battery disconnected, so that's why I'm not using the cable sensor anymore. And I did push that ignition switch a few months back, so that's why there's two separate keys. I dropped the key. Oh, here we go. That seems like one. It's a little low on gas. Whoa. I didn't want to start. Oh, look, it's chooching. Yeah, it sounded like old Yukon didn't want to start. Well, because it hadn't been driven in a while, the past couple of weeks. I just moved it here and there just so I could rotate the tires and then get those bolts on that. The balls went. Yeah, do need new tires. Oh yeah, there's the little red Chevy there. I think the fan clutch just engaged right now. Yeah, I hear that sound. Oh, that's it.